It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio. If you look at what actually happened with inflation, I'll start with this. How much of inflation's victory or the decline in inflation had to do with base effects? Lots, especially in June. So June, this is the one-year base effect, 9.06. There's nothing in here that had a 9. All these were 8s. Yeah, inflation had been slowing into the 4s, but once it finally compared against a 9, you got what Wall Street declared victory on, right? This was not a good thing to declare victory on because inflation now is going back up. And Brian's question is it, how much of it is due to base effect? Well, part of it is due to base effect. Part of it's due to base effect. And part of it, a big part of it, is combining the base effect, which gets easier, I'll show you in a second, and the underlying, the stochastic nowcasting that we have with the big heavy oil being up 40% from there. So then you get the street, not only did they declare victory on what I just said on inflation, but the next slide, they declare victory on, we don't have to have a recession now. Yeah, you see that? Everywhere. Like this is the contra signal of contra signals, if I ever saw it. That's why we called it exquisite. But again, what actually happened, to Jonesy's point on slide 38, to the data in August, is that you had this relationship where new orders were going down, demand's going down as the prices go up. Okay? So that is now going to find its way, because oil in particular has oil's impact on our model and on anybody's model, if they've modeled it accurately, there's a 1-month lag to its rise, right? So you can look at that, and finally, and we'll end on this, slide 39, we're showing you the energy year-over-year base effects. These things are now, Jonesy, are going to push crude oil up through January as the factor in the model.
Yeah, this is my point exactly.
Yeah, so what we do for a lot of people here, and by the way, look at the scoreboard. Next slide. Man, we're giving a lot of content for free here. I got to stop, but looking backwards, it's easy. Yeah. So look, this is where we went long. That's uranium. That should be green, but again, and we're short utilities against it. If you want to be long uranium against short Hong Kong, do that. Okay, that's this stuff. So if you really want to putt at the highest level and try to beat Jason Day on the green, you got a lot of work to do, right? We're proud of that. This deck is 188 slides deep. And again, this is all embedded into my game plan before I make one decision when I get back on the switch and get back to trading this morning, right? That's a lot, and I think it's worth a lot. In fact, I think many people who've paid for it for so long have already validated that. So when you see us, last point, I promise, when you see us being critical of chart monkeys, which were that was the nickname of the day, Drawdown Josh Brown, or anything that is not this, it's because we're trying to make fun of something that is an actual comedy versus the actual game that is being played by real pros playing at the highest level.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.